Welcome to this video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply create an account on our website and also register for your desired course. Okay, so the first thing is to open a browser. It can be in Google Chrome or any other browser that you are using. Okay, and then you just type in discrete learning.com. Okay, and then you click search. Okay, so once you search, something like this is going to come up. Okay, you just click start learning. Okay, so here it takes you to the login page. So if you already have an account, just log in and then you can subscribe to the course that you want. So if you do not have an account, you go here where there's create an account. So you click create an account, okay? And then there are details that you have to fill in here. So your first name, my name is Paul. And then my surname, you put solutions, okay? Then the email address, okay, you put your email address there. And then you set the password for the account, okay? So you set a unique password that you're going to be using to log in. So let me set mine. Okay, I've put the password, and then here you're going to add your phone number. Okay, so just add your phone number. So I've added my phone number there, and then there you set your date of birth. Okay, so for example, I was just born on 4th. Okay, and then there you select your university. Okay, you select your university. So if you're from UNZA, you select UNZA. If you're from Apex, select Apex. If you're from Unilas, you select Apex. You select Unilas. Okay, if you're from Eden, you select Eden. Okay, from Cavendish, you select, okay, so any university that you are from. So if you can't see your university here, you go on other universities. Okay, so for this video, I'm going to select Apex Medical University. Okay, and then you click register. Okay, so we are done. We have created an account successfully. Okay, and then you can use those same details that you put to log in. So you put your email here, okay, and then the password that you put it there. So I'm going to say login. Okay, so this is the page. When you log in, you can see here we have the home page, we have Learn, we have the YouTube channels, we have study materials. If you want some past papers, you can go there. Okay, so notice that here when I click on menu, the side menu disappears. If I click on it again, it appears here. So notice that here, okay, when you haven't registered for any course, you can't see any WhatsApp groups. Okay, so you see that once we register for a course, okay, an icon for WhatsApp groups is going to appear here. So you're going to use that icon to join the registered WhatsApp group. Okay, so once you pay for a course, make sure you join the registered WhatsApp group because that's where we send the links for the live classes. Okay, so let's subscribe for a course. So I'll go to subscribe for a course. And then here, okay, I'm going to select the courses that I want. So for example, if I want math, okay, and chemistry, you select them. So on the PC, this proceed to pay will just be here. Okay, so you can easily click it. But when you're using a phone, this proceed to pay will be down there. Okay, so you have to scroll down into the bottom here if you're using a phone. Then you're going to find the proceed to pay. Then you click on it. But on the PC, like I am doing here, okay, it will just be here. So I'll go on proceed to pay. Okay, and then this page will come up just showing you a summary of what you want. So there's math and there's chemistry, and then it gives you the total that you're going to pay. Okay, and then from there, you're just going to click pay. Okay, and then this pop-up will come about. Here you put your mobile number. Okay, so you can either use MTN or Airtel. Okay, so those are the only networks that work. So you put your Airtel mobile number there or your Airtel mobile number. Okay, so I've put mine, and then I'm going to click pay now. Okay, so once you click pay now, this notification here will come about. Okay, and then on your phone, you're going to receive a prompt. Okay, you're going to receive a prompt to put your PIN for your mobile money account. Okay, so once you put that PIN, then it will be you would have subscribed for the courses, and here you see that an icon for WhatsApp groups will appear. So let me just put in my PIN. Okay, so I've put my PIN. Then here I can click go back to home or go to the courses. Okay, so I'll say go to the courses. So you see now that here in math, it will write enrolled. Even there, it will write enrolled because I've paid for those courses. So now notice on the sidebar that now you have this icon for WhatsApp groups. So you click on it there, and then you join the WhatsApp group for your semester. Okay, so remember the university there, I had picked Apex. So Apex, we have the same first semester students, second semester students, and those who are in second year who are doing medical courses. So depending on the course that you are registering for, okay, you join the specific WhatsApp group. So just click, if it's first semester, you click there, join the group. If it's a second semester, click there. If you're in second year, you click there. Okay, so for Apex, if you're registering for semester 1 or semester 2, you register for mathematics. Okay, even for chemistry, you also register for chemistry. So if you're in semester 2 for Apex, you go in the folder for mathematics, you're going to find a folder for probability and statistics, which is what you do in your second semester for math. And then if you are registering for chemistry as well, okay, for second semester Apex, you'll find this folder inside the chemistry folder, which is bio, chemistry and organic chemistry. That's what you do in your what? In your second semester. Okay, so we have successfully registered, and then we can start learning. Okay, so now if you have an iPhone, then you'll just be using the WhatsApp like we have done here. So you can open the courses, you can find the videos there on the tutorial sheet, past papers, topic lessons, summarized notes, you can find everything, okay? But I'm going to show you those on the app as well. So let's see how we can use the app. Once we have registered here, okay, you can install the app from Google Play Store, okay? And then you log in using the same details that you used here, okay? And then now I'll show you how to access things there and some features that you can use on the app. Okay, it's very important that you use the app if you're using an Android phone, because on the app you can even download the videos and watch it offline. All right, so let's take a look at how we can install it. You can install the app, log in, and then use it. Right, so you can actually install our app from Play Store. So you just click on Play Store there. Okay, and then you come here and search for Discrete Learning Institute. Okay, so you just come there and then you type in Discrete Learning Institute. So search. Okay, so it's going to bring the app. You can see it here, right? So you click on it and then you click on install. So it's going to install, so you wait for it to install. Okay, so it's installing. It's just 15 MBs installing. Okay, and then you click okay, what's happening now? You click on open. The app is going to open. Okay, to ask you if you want notifications, you say allow. Okay, so it takes you to this login page. Here you just put in the details that you put on the website. Okay, so you put in your email there, and then there you put in your password. Okay, and then you log in, sign in. Okay, so it will take you to the app. So this is how our app looks like. So you notice that the courses that you're subscribed for, they will just be on top. So there we subscribed for math and chemistry. You can see that they're on top there, right? Okay, so here there are some useful features that I want to show you. So on the app here, okay, this icon here is the website. So when you click on it, it takes you to the website. Okay, this one takes you to our main YouTube channel. Okay, so you can click on it to take you to the YouTube channel. This one here for the setting, you can change the app color. Okay, so this is is this purple or something? So you can pick your favorite color and set it. If it's red, you can pick red. Okay, you see that it changes to red, so you can change to the color that you want. Okay, and then on the top right corner here, we have these two more persons here. So there, if you didn't join the WhatsApp group from the website, you can click it there, and then you join the WhatsApp group here. So depending on the university where you are, you'll find the registered WhatsApp group here. So you can see them. So you can, if you are from first semester Apex, just click on first semester here, and then it will ask you, if you have two WhatsApp, it will ask you which WhatsApp you want to use to join the group. Okay, so you just select it, and then you will be able to join the registered group where we send the links for the live classes. So please join the group. Okay, so that is that, and then here you can see this support. So you can click on support to contact the tutors. So if you want to contact me, maybe okay, you have a question that you want to solve in math, right? You just click tutor post solutions here. It will ask you to call or to WhatsApp. So always WhatsApp your problem. So you can just click on WhatsApp, and then you select the WhatsApp. Okay, it will take you direct to my inbox. Okay, so you can see here it's taking me to the inbox. Okay, and then here you come and type whatever message that you may want. Okay, and then I'll reply to you. Or if it's tutor John, he will reply, or any tutor that you see that you are texting. Okay, so let's go back to the app. So that's the support part there. So please make use of it. If you want to ask something, just go on the app here and click on the support there. Okay, and then if your subscription is done, you can also register from the app. So you can just click here on enroll. Okay, and then here you select the courses that you want. Then you scroll down here, you put your number there, and then you click subscribe. Okay, just like we did on the website. Okay, and then there's this icon here for downloads. So all the videos that you download to watch offline, you'll be finding them here. So here there's nothing because I haven't downloaded anything. But now let's try to go in the math folder. Okay, so just wait for it to load. So all those with Android phones, please download the app because the videos are easily accessible here. So if you're for first semester Apex, you go there. Okay, if you're from any other university, you go here. Okay, and then second semester Apex, it means this is your folder here for probability and statistics. But any other university, taking pre-meds, NS or A-levels, you come to general math. Okay, so here you find 4 folders. You can see there's lessons and tutorials, 110 summarized notes, tutorial sheet and assignments, past quiz, test, and exam papers. Okay, so depending on what you want, you can open any of these. So if you want topic lessons, you go on lessons and tutorials. So here you find all the topics that you ever learn in math. Okay, so here you just choose the topic that you want. Okay, so let's say for example I choose which topic, SADS and rationalization. Here you find the notes, so you can read these notes. You can simply open them to read. Okay, here you find our videos and recorded videos. So we have a lot here, you can see there. Okay, so you can click any to download it and watch it. So you can click on this one to watch it. Okay, so just wait for it to start. So you can see that it has started there. Okay, so you can click download here so that it's downloaded and you can watch it even offline. So it's downloading there. You've clicked download, and then this one you can put it in full screen mode. Okay, you can see what has happened there. It has turned into full screen mode, right? Okay, and then you can watch the video that you want. Okay, you can watch it in full screen mode, and then if you press there, you take it back to this view here. Okay, so you can see the videos downloaded there. There's like a green chonga there, like a tree, like a Nike. So you can download as many videos as you want to watch offline. So you can download this. Just click on download, and then they'll download. Okay, click on download, download. Okay, so whatever videos you want, you can download them like that. Okay, and then you can even leave this site, but you are going to find them in downloads here. You find supplementary tutorials. So we're going to upload some videos. Okay, in case you don't understand our videos, you'll find some extra videos here. So that's for lessons and tutorials. If you want handwritten notes, okay, we have these topics here. Very simplified handwritten notes, very well explained. Okay, so just click there, and then you choose whatever you want to learn. So this is set theory. You can read the handwritten notes. These are functions. You can read them as well. And then here you find the tutorial sheets and the assignments. So if you're given any assignments and any tutorial sheets and you send to us, we're going to solve it and upload it in this folder. Okay, so just open tutorial sheet. Then depending on the university where you are, you're going to find the videos for that university. And then here where I wrote our tutorial sheet and explained solutions. Here we just put the general concept. Okay, so we have handwritten solutions, okay, for some topics in math. You can see there sets. Okay, you can pass through this if you want. Okay, if you want the videos for the general, you can find them here. There are a lot of videos on different topics. Okay, so you can watch anytime. You can also download anything that you want. Okay, but if you're from Apex, okay, you can go in this folder Apex. So you find different intakes here. So there's 2024 January intake, 2024 July, 2025 January. So you can go to 2025 if you just recently started pre-mates. Okay, but I must mention that in all these folders here, there are 4 videos, so you can watch on any topic. Okay, so video solutions, this was for January intake this year. So we have videos from tutorial sheet 1. You can see all the videos here. Tutorial sheet 2, you can learn from these videos because the concept, they don't change. Okay, the questions, they might change, the concept are the same. Tutorial sheet 4, tutorial sheet 5, we have these videos here, so make use of them. Don't watch they're not for decos. But if you are you want solutions for the tutorial sheet that are just coming out for July intake, you go here. So far we've solved question 1 up to is this question 7? Okay, question 1 up to question 7. Okay, I mean question 1 up to question 14, because this is question 14 here, right? Okay, so you can come and watch all these videos. If you want, you can download. You're going to find them in that icon there, written downloads. Okay, so that's for the tutorial sheets. If you want past papers, you come here, past papers. Okay, you go to Apex. Here you're going to find the written solutions like that, because this is written solutions. Okay, and then here you're going to find the videos. So there are some exam papers, quiz papers, as well as the test papers. Okay, so if you're preparing for your quiz, we have the quiz here for 25 January intake. You can see it there. We have the tests there, test 1, quiz 2. You can watch all these videos to pass at your own time. Okay, so that is math, Afyon, whatever it has. Okay, so if we learn something and it's the past paper, we were going to upload it here. If it's a tutorial sheet, we'll upload it there. Okay, if it's a topic lesson, we're going to upload it there. So the arrangement is the same, even for chemistry, for physics, for biology, for whatever course that you want. Okay, so for even chemistry, you can come here and open it and then check what it has. Okay, you can check what it has. So it's just loading there. Okay, so if you are in second semester Apex, you go to this folder here. Okay, so you can see that the tutorial sheet for July 2025, I solved from tutorial sheet 1 to tutorial sheet 5. The videos are there. Okay, so you can watch them anytime. You can even download if you want, like that. Okay, then you find them under downloads there. And then even January 2025, okay, we also had videos. So there are videos on all the topics here. You can watch them. Okay, what about past papers? You can go to past papers, video solutions. Okay, you're going to find some past papers and their videos. Okay, so that was for semester 2. Semester 1, you come to general chemistry. Or if you're from any other university, Unilas, Unza, Cavendish, Eden, you come to general chemistry. So the arrangement, you can see, is the same. Lessons and tutorials for the topics here. You can see introduction to chemistry, whatever you want. Atoms, okay, videos, you have the videos there. You can even download, and then you find them under downloads there. Okay, then handwritten notes, again, nice notes, you can read them. Okay, and then tutorial sheets and assignments, you come here. Okay, this is July intake 2025. You can come there. So far we've only had 2 tutorial sheets. Okay, there's tutorial sheet 1, this is the full video here, and then there's tutorial sheet 2. Tutorial sheet 2 here, I solved it in parts. So there's question 1 to 3, question 4 to 6. Oh, I'm opening a video now, and question 7. So you can watch all these, okay, to pass. And then even January here, we had the tutorial sheets on all the topics, you can see. So you can just be watching any video that you want here, you can watch. Okay, and then those are tutorial sheets. Even 2024 here, we have the videos, they're there waiting for you. Okay, and then the past papers is the same. You go to past papers, Apex, video solutions. You're going to find exam papers like this one. You can see final exam, quiz 2, test 1, test 1, test 1, quiz 1. Okay, all these papers here, they're waiting for you to watch them. So you can even download these videos if you want. Okay, download, you'll find it under downloads. And then what else? Okay, we also have some lab samples in case you have labs, you can check. Okay, and then okay, I think that's all. So now, if you don't want to go over all that hassle, you can come here on top. You can see the search there. Okay, so let's say you want to learn about maybe units and measurements. So you just come on search there, you write units and measurements. Okay, and then you click search. Okay, so it's going to bring whatever is on our website that has to do with units and measurements. So you can see here, there's this folder for units and measurements. That's physics. Okay, there's also this one for chemistry. We have recorded tutorials here on units and measurements. Okay, and we also have there's some notes. So take note of the icons here. So this is a PDF, so it means these are just notes. And then if it's like that, that is a video. Okay, so units and measurements, you're going to find a lot of videos here just by searching. Okay, so whatever you want to search, let's say rationalize. Okay, rationalize and then search. Okay, do you have anything on rationalize, or should I have written rationalization? Okay, I think I didn't name anything, but let me try rationalization, like this, and then I click search. So you can see here. So we have videos. Okay, you can see this is video on rationalize, rationalize. So even if you don't want to learn, all these videos are there. You can even download them. Okay, so you can open it, download it. Okay, open it, download it. You're going to find them under downloads. Okay, so that's how you basically use our app. Okay, you can search, you can contact the tutors here, you can change the color of the app here. Okay, you can even put blue if you want, or even yellow, whatever color that you want. Okay, so you can see it has changed to blue here. Okay, and these are the courses that we offer. So we have a lot of courses that we offer. Okay, there are medical courses like anatomy, physiology, biochemistry. We have higher math courses like linear algebra, review analysis, analytical geometry and calculus, probability and statistics. Okay, financial mathematics, engineering. So if you know anyone who is taking this course, okay, feel free to invite them to our mobile app, because we have a lot. And then we have again math, chemistry, biology, and physics for those who are doing pre-meds, NS, or A levels. Okay, so you can come here on downloads now to check the videos that I've downloaded so far. Okay, so this one has downloaded, so you find it here. Okay, so here you can play it. You can even switch off your data to download it. Okay, so that's basically how you use our app. Thank you so much for registering and trusting Discrete Learning Institute. We shall continue doing our best to simplify all the contents. Okay, so if you want to contact me or want to register, please follow whatever I've said in this video. Okay, if you find any challenges, you can inbox me on WhatsApp using the numbers in the description of this video. Okay, so thank you so much.